Oh no. Now we're gonna deal with these guys now. Oh fuck. Soon that, and there's gonna be a bunch of drones around you. Is this Santa Monica or is it Texas? That's great. What's going on, guys? This is episode 35. We're at Manhattan Beach, chilling, drinking Starbucks. I was really disappointed how few views that my Starbucks episode got, because I learned something very powerful where you're supposed to release videos at certain times. Like I released it at Saturday evening and barely got any views. That's so interesting. I'm learning as I go. Anyway, this episode is about the importance of maintaining the $25,000 threshold as a day trader. And if you can't do that, then you have to focus on swing trading and follow completely different set of rules. So this video is all about that. So I'm going to shoot this episode from this cool looking 3D chair that I'm sitting in. So $24,999 is a very crucial threshold for any trader. This is a threshold that when you go above it, you go from swing trading to day trading. This is a FINRA regulation that you can do as many trades as you want once you go above that threshold. However, when you lose money, you go below that threshold and you become a swing trader. You're forced to become a swing trader. Think of it this way. Let's say you own a restaurant. Imagine the government comes and says that you can only operate it in the weekends and still pay your regular taxes and try to survive. Would that be fair for you to pay that rent by only operating on the weekends? You're not going to make it. So you need to be in a mindset that once your money falls below 25,000, you're broke. You're officially broke, and as a day trader, that's what you are. So as soon as you get to that threshold, you better start taking low risk. You better assess to see what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and why did you fall to that level? Was it one or a few trades that pushed you to that level, or was it a repetitive mistakes that you're doing? So in FINRA's eyes, and I called Washington, D.C., and I've complained so many times because I've lost tens of thousands of dollars for the fact that I couldn't sell because my broker would shut me down. They would shut you down and make you only do closing trades for 90 days until you learn your lesson. So you cannot overtrade. So I called and I said, why is this at $25,000? Why can't you lower this threshold to make it easier for us? Nobody could answer me why it's 25,000. At some point I was like, this is a way for the government to keep people as poor as possible, right? Let it be 10,000. Why is it 25,000? But they kept giving me the answer that it's meant to protect a speculative high frequency trader and basically slow you down so that you can take less risk and preserve your capital. Because a lot of people would blow up their capital from 25,000 by taking huge option risks or futures risks. So in a sense, this threshold FINRA pattern day trading rule is meant to keep you from over trading and help you preserve your capital. So what I want you to do is, once you come to this level, you need to stick to ETFs. Take less risk in mega cap stocks, Apple, Chevron, all the big names, over $100 billion market cap, S&P 500. So that way you can actually keep your sanity and build your capital and go above 25,000. Once you go above 25,000, again, it takes about a day for them to consider you as a pattern day trader. So I hope that you can learn something from this episode and safeguard. And look, right now, if you're not at that level yet, or you're trying to build up your capital to that level, don't think that once you're at 25,000, you're going to make a lot of money. No, as a matter of fact, at 25,000, you're going to start over trading more and more. And until you realize that you should not trade often, you need to trade well. I'm going to repeat this one more time. Don't trade often, trade well. So this is an actual privilege for you to be able to trade unlimited amount of times. Don't abuse it. Unless you become a very strong momentum scalper, do not abuse this system, okay? Trade well, wait for the right opportunities. Don't just jump on everything, all right? See you guys. See you next episode.